This here vidya, VIDYA, is how you can upgrade your garage door for $24. So as you can see here, my garage door has windows in that top row. It did not. It was an all white, basic, bland looking garage door. And this looks a lot better than it did. I don't have an image of what it looked like before, but you can imagine. Now, I said windows. I said $24. Well, I don't really care if I had actual windows or not. It just gives the appearance as though they are windows. They are not windows. What they are is magnets. And they come in a sheet, and it comes with a magnetic ruler. And with the sheet that they provide you, you can make a variety of patterns. You can do like I did. You could do something like this, something like that, like this. Really, you could do whatever the hell you want. But they come in a sheet. I don't have any full sheets left because I already broke them apart. But basically, they come in a sheet like this with three just squares underneath it, 3 wide, 3 wide, and then you can just break them apart and stick them however you please with whatever pattern. And that's about it. It did also come, I think I have some more in here. Yeah, some more in here. And it did come with a ruler so that you could kind of, if you wanted to do something like this, get even spacing across. But I don't care that I don't have windows on the garage. Quite frankly, I like not having windows on the garage, but I like the look. I didn't want to spend money on a garage door, and I found these on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. But that's how, and just to show you that I'm not crazy, that's it. That is it. I'll make that perfect again when I stop recording. But now imagine that door, just a plain white door. It wasn't very aesthetically pleasing. And for $24, it made the front of my house look a lot better. So check out the link in the description if you too would like to do the same.